Well, good morning and welcome to Riccarton Forest. Monday the 21st of January 2019, and we're out in the wilds, the fog, the colds. It's -2 and today we're going to have a walk up to Riccarton Junction and maybe Will's Bothy as well. So first time up here, we've seen a few videos, so we thought we'd come out from West Cumbria. Just fancied a wander for today. So it's about 11 o'clock, so we've probably got 5.5 hours of daylight, so we'll see how we get on. But the fog's lifting now. But yeah, so the temperature should go up a bit, so it's well frosty up in this area. So now it's about 5-6 mile out. Is it Newcastleton, is it, John? 5-6 mile or maybe less, don't know. Not far, that far out of Newcastleton. So anyway, let's crack on. Hi, so we've only walked about 500 metres from the road roughly, so now we are onto the old Waverely line, I think. It comes along here and we're down there. There we go. Come on, Monty, get up. So it's along this track in front of us now. Still quite slippy. Temperature is gradually rising. It's like we're kind of like the bottom of an inversion. Quite spectacular, really. And yeah, I suppose it's best to stop waffling and catch John up. Well, we've now reached another set of forest gates. I would say it's about 1.3 miles, John, is it? Roughly, from where we were. You got the sign up, Forestry Commission. You can hear the forestry on the go to my left, but yeah, there's a sign quite clearly says no unauthorised vehicles beyond this point. So if folk are going up that Will's Bothy, if they do come past the first barriers, then I don't know if they'll allow you to park here, who knows. So they just may shut where we've parked the car, may shut the gate of an evening, so it's a walk up from there. So let's crack on. So we're walking on the old Waverly line, which is quite easy underfoot, although it is a bit slippy. You couldn't tell from the camera, but yeah, that's how it looks. So we're definitely not too far from Riccarton Junction now. We're just looking round. We've passed an old bridge. It got demolished. Kept the number, but just here my finger is, I think that's cut in from where it branched off towards to go to Hexham, the old lines. That's what it looks like from here anyway. Obviously all these trees weren't here many moons ago, but now things have changed. So I'm looking forward to seeing all remains of this station and junction. It's for about here now. Shortly. So we just branched off. It's part of the old sidings. A few houses up there. So if you come along there, you can see where trucks would come. Somewhere at the buffers here. And these workings over here. Yeah, so this gives you the history of it all. Really interesting stuff.
Schoolmaster's house, that up there.
Yeah, yeah, you see that. Plenty of spots there. People lived up here. Good few houses.
Up there would have been that, eh?
As you look up there. Isn't that it? Yeah. Blimey. So all in buildings, you've only got 1 or 2 left really. Mm-hmm. There's Dult's sign. Get over to it in a minute. It's a big, nice, big blue sign, nice to see. And there's a platform here. I'll get through these bushes. Old platform. Right along there. Walk along. I really hope they connect all this line. It would be absolutely fantastic. Really would. Dr. Beeching, you were a shan. A shan. But you've got to ask yourself, folks, do you want this pathetic HS2 vanity project to be put together? Or do you want all lines like this, the Waverly line reconnected to Carlisle, built for the use of many people? Not for the sake of getting to London, for the sake of 10 minutes early. Who cares? Get these old lines up and running again. Don't bum the money on HS2. That's what I say. I'm sure we've all got different opinions on it, but we can get to London as it is in 3.5 hours somewhere, maybe less. That's my rant for the day. Old building there as well. So I wonder what else we can see. I'll see what else we can find. I'll get it right. Well, this looks like Will's Bothy, or Leysburnfoot, however you want to call it. The wind's got up down here, strangely enough. This is a really short walk from the actual junction itself. I thought it was slightly further, but obviously not. John's behind me somewhere. That's a large hill you come down. Wonder if anybody's home. Now, say we are at Will's Bothy. There's nobody at home. And there's 2 rooms. I'm not going to pronounce that. Cumgila. I don't know if it. Oh, God knows. Whatever. But, yeah, nicely done up with these new platforms from Bothy Association. Really nice. Fireplace, wood. A nice table as well. Plenty of hanging the bags up and coming to the other room. And this is called Cad Idris, this room. It's not much of a big Bothy book, that. It's a notepad, but it'll have to do. Oh yeah, this one has leather sofas as well. Window, very comfy. Not bad at all. Christmas tree there, left. And the stove. Yeah, this is alright. Another good table over here. Not bad at all, not it? Spot on. Not a bad Bothy. You've done that nicely. And what was round the side? Come outside again. Oh, Monty's looking round for you. I hope he doesn't find anything sinister like he has at previous Bothys. Could be a carsy this like. Yeah. It is. Proper book. Oh well. And all kitted out. And your water source is down there. If there's enough room here to actually stick a tent out here quite comfortably in warmer conditions, I'd say. Right, it's time for a bite to eat, and saying we've just slipped over the border sneakily. We are deciding to. It's bird night coming up. Yeah, right. So we're having some haggis for our dinner. Thank you, Penny.
All the way from Cockermouth. And we're having Scotland. You've got to come to Scotland and have a cappuccino, apparently.
Oh yes. That's from Lidl. That's cappuccino. Right, do you two want to spoil my video or what? And John paraded his brew kit, Alp kit, brew kit. It sounds like rhyming slang, that, doesn't it? So, and the dogs have had a few sausages, but Penny and Murphy have just had a set too, ridiculously.
A couple of West Cumbrian tea cakes.
What are they? Baps, tea cakes, whatever you want to call them, whichever part of the country you're from. Sometimes we just call them tea cakes, but a tea cake is something completely different elsewhere.
And if you're really lucky,
what now?
they come already cooked.
You haven't fetched the butter. It's no good, Mother. No butter, no good. No tomato sauce, no brown sauce, no nothing else. Come on, you slacken.
Just get your...
Let's eat.
Just get your haggis sorted.
Well, we've had a bit of dinner and we've come out and there's a dusting of snow. It's snowing. So we were going to go up to the other junction. What's it called? Whitrope.
Whitrope.
But now we might not. Maybe just a random shower. I don't know. Tough decision to make. Might be alright. But yeah, an excellent little Bothy this, must admit. Two rooms, and you've got a toilet and a chopping room as well. It's great. They've done a really good job. Mountain Bothy Association, cracking like. Not bad, nice spot to visit there, Mother.
Yeah, lovely.
Spot on, eh?
Yeah.
I know.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. We could have been back and stopped. But you know, you didn't fetch your pyjamas, would you, did you? Well, to be fair, we're taking the sensible option and heading back. We've just come out of Will's Bothy there. Oh. But it'd be nice to walk up there at some point. Definitely come back up here, it's nice. But I bet it's cracking in summer. Absolutely cracking. But this snow is coming down. It's all over the screen as well now, so make our way back. Well, final walk by of Riccarton Junction, and this snow is getting quite heavy now. It's definitely settling on the ground, so yes, we best make tracks all the way back. Could get snowed in. Well, here we are walking back. The snow's coming on heavy again, so I actually think we chose very wisely to head back. John's panicking he's going to get snowed in, but you know, it's just typical. As the old saying, well, the new saying goes, we're a bunch of snowflakes. Right, that's us back in one piece. Not snowed under, thankfully. Yeah, it got a bit rough then, but it's just falling rain. Yeah, I was saying a lady from Forestry Commission, and it was further on where we intended to go. Well, it was a bit rough with snow, so we chose wisely to come back. Just a shame, but another visit, another time when the weather improves.
She was nice there to have a crack.
Yeah, aye, good crack, aye.
At least she spoke.
Aye. That's the only person we've seen all day.
Yeah.
To be honest, so not so. It was a nice visit. Will's Bothy, he's very impressive. Renovated by Mountain Bothy Association. And Riccarton Junction, well,
Out left.
There's very little. I was expecting a bit more, but still, it was a nice place to go and have a nose.
Yeah.
So we'll call it then, I think, for today.
No crowds, was there?
No.
No crowds. So that's goodbye from me and goodbye from me little chum.
Chum? Chum. It's a bit posh. See you up next then.